Welcome to All for You 91. Today we are exploring one of sociology's most influential ideas, conflict theory. Developed by Karl Marx, conflict theory challenges us to look at society in a new way. Conflict theory argues that society is not a level playing field. Instead, it is a place where different groups compete for power, money, and resources. The wealthy and powerful work to maintain their control, while those with less are often left behind. This ongoing struggle shapes our schools, workplaces, politics, and even the laws we live by. But conflict theory is not just about class. It also helps us understand issues like gender inequality, racism, and discrimination. The theory asks us to consider who benefits from the current system and who is being excluded. We believe that learning about inequality can open our eyes. When people understand these issues, they are more likely to create change. So remember, conflict in society is not just a problem. It is a signal that change is needed. Thanks for watching All for You 91.